In order to find silver in Subnautica 2 early game, the first thing you want to do is you want to get a multi-tool. Once you have the multi-tool, you're good to go. And now what you want to do is you want to make your way just shy of north right over here. So in this direction. So let's just go ahead and hop in the water. And now let's just keep on going here. Now I'm going to try to avoid cutting up this video too much just so you guys are able to see everything that goes on. So we're going to need to go ahead and go past this structure. And I also do want to say I apologize if I am incredibly laggy. All right, then we're going to get this structure one more time. And in terms of how far away we're going, we're not really going to go that far. You should be good to go. In terms of what depth, you are going to be around like 60 meters deep underwater. So that is also something to note. But anyways, you want to keep on making your way here. And then eventually you're going to notice this like little cave opening. And then you want to go inside the cave opening. And here we're able to go ahead and find some silver. You're able to go ahead and break it. And then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.